of double working station and 4 layers with double chamber EVA laminated glass oven. The size is 2 meters by 3.6 meters. And this is 2 chambers. I can show you. Open the door. See, this is the up room. Independent rooms. This is the second. It means if you have a small quantity, you can only use this one room. If you have a large quantity, you can use both the 2 chambers to work in. Heating tube, and this is the blower, for blowing this blowing tube. This is the up and down platform, and this is the turnover frame. It has cooling function. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 layers. It's turnover frame is 5 layers, and the oven is 4 layers. This is the operation. That PDLC and Schneider. Okay. And this is the 2 vacuum pump. This is the behind or the has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, close the door.